Numpy Covariance Matrix numpy.cov. I am using Numpy and want to compute the covariance matrix for an array. I am trying to use numpy.cov but am not getting the correct results. More details below. Mind array is 768 by 8 for where 8 is the numbers features in my data set. When I use MATLAB to compute the covariance matrix, I get a 8 by 8, which is what I require, but when I use numpy.cov, I get a 768 by 768 which is incorrect. I tried changing the rovar argument to true and this does not work. What would be the correct call to numpy.cov? In other words, how would I reproduce the cov results from MATLAB using Numpy?
Amazingly, the documentation might tell you. You should pass rover equals false to indicate that columns represent variables.
As per default, each row is observation, each column is feature, which is swapped in Numpy per definition, so all you need to do is transpose, where R is matrix, or
Matrix.